Workshop Butler provides a built-in evaluation module. When trainers use it, students' feedback gets into the system. And there are several ways how to use collected feedback. So the first one is through testimonials. If a trainer likes particular feedback, she can click Save as Testimonial button, and this feedback becomes visible on her profile immediately. This is a simple, fast, and powerful way to improve your credibility as a trainer. Just one click and it's online. So the second way of using collected feedback is through ratings. Each evaluation has several questions. Some of these questions are open, like what were specific qualities of a trainer. Other questions have a predefined set of answers. For example, student can select an answer from terrible to excellent, rating a trainer. These answers have numerical values, where terrible is 0 and excellent is obviously 10. Workshop Butler calculates a rating for each trainer based on these answers. These ratings are visible on their profiles and motivate trainers to improve their skills. Now it's time to talk about Exclude free event settings finally. When this settings is off, Workshop Butler calculates ratings based on all events, no matter if they're paid or free. It may not be fair, as people tend to evaluate more critically things they pay for. It can also lead to cheating if a trainer decides to run many free webinars just to have a great rating. To prevent all these issues, just activate the setting. In this case, feedback for free events is excluded from the rating, and only paid workshops matter.